Dumpster Rental, Clayton, North Carolina. If you're looking for reliable and affordable dumpster rental services in Clayton, North Carolina, Dumpster King is the perfect choice. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, Dumpster King offers a variety of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs. You can schedule delivery and pick up at your convenience, ensuring that your project stays on track without unnecessary delays. Their team provides friendly, prompt service, and they take great care to place the dumpster in a location that minimizes disruption to your property. Safety and environmental responsibility are top priorities for Dumpster King. They follow all local regulations and guidelines for proper waste disposal, so you can rest easy knowing that your debris is being handled in an eco-friendly manner. For fast, dependable, and budget-friendly dumpster rental services in Clayton, North Carolina, contact Dumpster King today at 919-669-7370. Their team is ready to assist you with any waste management needs, helping you keep your project organized and hassle-free. Whether it's a one-time job or ongoing work, Dumpster King has you covered.